Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and first of all apologies that there's not been a few videos. We are experiencing some delays with our whip and chat. Currently it's saying that there's a backlog, something to do with cargo backlog, so it has been released by customs. We're just waiting for obviously InPost to pick it up. It's hard to say whether it'll be here in the next 4 days, but for now all we can do is wait. But we have got something to do for today, and that is our Nutcracker unboxing. Yes, I went to the hospital with my mum the other day because she had to go for an appointment thing to do with her, you know, a leg replacement thing. And while we was there, we popped into the range, and I saw this probably last couple of trips I went, and I didn't like the pink. However, I've got a plan. So what I'll do is, if I get any more red drills, I'm going to swap this pink out for the red, or I may even give it green, but I think green with light blue might be a bit too much. So yeah, I just didn't really like the pink. But this is the $1.99. It's from the All I Want for Christmas series, Diamond Your Own Nutcracker, and it looks like it's got a wooden base as well, as you can see. We get a green tray. It would have been nice if they could give us a red one to go with the base, but I want a red tray. I need to get my hands on a red tray. So yeah, $1.99 for this, and I don't think I saw this last year. So again, it's something new that we've got come out from that thing. Nice stocking filler as well. Oh yeah, look, it's wood. Wow. Oh, this is going to be nice. Oh, look at that. The first thing I'm drawn to is this. Look at that. Wow. We've got a red base. Oh, wow. I mean, that gonk that I got, that would look quite nice on there. Oh, wow. Yeah. But yeah, wow. Very nice. Red base. And then this is our Nutcracker itself. Lovely detailed size symbols. And the stick is, yeah, very sticky there. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. That's fantastic. I mean, if they've got any more, I'm going to get an army of these. Like, have like 2 in the front room, perhaps 1 on my desk as I'm diamond painting. A nice, quick, simple project for the Christmas season. So, as you can see, that's our Nutcracker. We've got ourselves our bag, pen, and wax there, and these are our lovely colours. So we've got, oh yes, I don't think we've had that before. That's a very nice. That's actually not pink. That's purple. Oh, actually, that might be quite good then. I might keep that. I don't like purple, but we've got to do something with that pink because it just don't look right. Then we've got a minty green, a light blue, a black, an amber, a red, a darker red, a goldy colour, a silver, and a mint blue. Fantastic. So, yeah, I think this is... I love this base. I mean, and the thing is, if you've got something that is very similar to that, you could swap them out, you know, different stands and that. But this is just, I don't think I saw this last year, and that on, you know, either your desk or perhaps your TV table, your cabinet, or wherever you put it, your coffee table for Christmas. Nutcrackers are very similar, a very sort of Christmassy thing. I don't understand why they call them a nutcracker. So if anyone knows why it's called that, because I don't think it cracks nuts, does it? So I wonder why they called it a nutcracker. But yeah, so and if you, oh no, what's that? Oh, it's all coming off. And if you like nutcrackers, people, look what I saw in Chelmsford. You are not going to believe the size of this. Look at this. It is absolutely massive. Like, we was in Chelmsford and I wanted to photo of my mum next to the Nutcracker, and my mum's standing there, as you can see, next to this ginormous Nutcracker. It's like a statue thing that they've put up in the shopping centre. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. And I can't wait to get into this. I think I'll probably get it done in one session, actually. But yeah, so that's at the range. If you want to get it for yourself, it's only £2, and you can get this for yourself. The link's in the description of the video. And yeah, all we can do is hope and pray that this parcel will turn up tomorrow. If not, then it might have to be a flashback unboxing. But as I say, at the moment, all it keeps saying is released from customs, so it's just a waiting game at the moment. What's really held that up is because it was a pre-order as well, and it took like 3 to 4 days to even ship it. And Linda, just while I was on here, look what I found. Oh my god, how cute is that? I have to have it. I have to have it. Look how cute it is. You've so got to get this, Linda. But yeah, anyway, so oh, that's a lovely size. Look, 60 times 60. Wow. Okay, get it in the basket. Fantastic. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get tucked into this. As I say, tomorrow might be a flashback. I mean, it's hard to tell because it's still at customs, so it could come tomorrow, it might not, but if it doesn't, then I'll have to put a flashback up. The frog is still being worked on at the moment. I'm still trying to find some spare drills, and I have found some here, so I'm still digging around for drills on that. I haven't forgot about the frog. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Get it in your basket. It's a wonderful item, and please get shopping with The Range. It's a fabulous company to shop with, and you get so much wonderful diamond painting objects in there. But until next time, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tomorrow for hopefully the whip and chat. But if not, it will be a flashback unboxing. Take care. Bye bye.